अमरीकी खुफिया सर्विस साबिक अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप के तहफ्फुज में नाकाम। ऐवान नुमाइंदगान के चुपते हुए सवालात, शदीद तनकीद और कड़े एहतसाब की शुरुआत के बाद सीक्रेट सर्विस की डायरेक्टर किम्बर्ली चीटल ने इस्तीफा दे दिया है। जमहूरी रियासतों में कोई फर्द एहतसाब से मुबर्रा नहीं। साबिक अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की हिफाजत के लिए बनाया गया सिक्योरिटी प्लान क्यों नाकाम हुआ? एक मुसल्लह हमलावर ट्रंप पर गोली चलाने में कैसे कामयाब हो गया? इंतखाब से चंद माह कबल साबिक सदर पर हमला खुफिया एजेंसी की बड़ी नाकामी है, मगर इदारा जवाबदेह है। गुज़िश्ता रोज अमरीकी सीक्रेट सर्विस डायरेक्टर किम्बर्ली चीटल ऐवान की कमेटी बराए निगरानी और एहतसाब ने द हाउस कमेटी ऑन ओवरसाइट एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी के सख्त तरीन सवालों और इस्तीफे के मुतालबों के साथ शदीद तनकीद का सामना किया। सीक्रेट सर्विस डायरेक्टर किम्बर्ली चीटल faced fierce grilling at first hearing on the Trump shooting और उसके फौरी बाद आज उनकी तरफ से इस्तीफा सामने आ गया है। कमेटी के अरकान ने सीक्रेट सर्विस से शवाहिद मांगे। सीक्रेट सर्विस से अंदरूनी मुआसलात, ऑडियो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग्स, कानून नाफिज करने वाले इदारों को भेजे गए पैगामात, नक्शे, डायग्राम्स और तकरीब से कबल के जायजे से मुतल्लिक तमाम तर डिटेल्स और तफसीलात मांगी गई थी जो कि नहीं सप्लाई की गई। कमेटी के सामने अमरीकी सीक्रेट सर्विस की डायरेक्टर किम्बर्ली चीटल ने तस्लीम किया कि उनका इदारा साबिक सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप पर कातलाना हमला रोकने की जिम्मेदारी पूरी करने में नाकाम रहा। किम्बर्ली चीटल का यह कहना था कि अमेरिका की सीक्रेट सर्विस की डायरेक्टर की हैसियत से मैं सिक्योरिटी की किसी भी नाकामी की मुकम्मल जिम्मेदारी लेती हूं। कमेटी के रिपब्लिकन चेयरमैन जेम्स कॉमर ने ट्रंप के कत्ल की कोशिश के मामले में समाअत का आगाज करते हुए कहा कि सानेह को रोका जा सकता था और मेरा पुख्ता यकीन है कि डायरेक्टर चीटल आपको इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए। जेम्स कॉमर का कहना था कि सीक्रेट सर्विस में हजारों मुलाजिमीन हैं और इसका बड़ा बजट है, लेकिन वो नाअहल साबित हुई है। कमेटी के रिपब्लिकन रुकन नैंसी मेस ने खुफिया एजेंसी की नाकामी से मुतल्लिक तंदोतेज सवालात किए। डायरेक्टर के सामने ये सवालात किए। नैंसी मेस ने फौरी तौर पर इस्तीफे का मुतालबा भी कर दिया।
Most of my questions are going to demand a yes or no answer. Do you understand?
I do.
Okay, my first question. Both sides of the aisle today have asked for your resignation. Would you like to use my 5 minutes to draft your resignation letter? Yes or no?
No, thank you.
Was this a colossal failure?
It was a failure.
Yes or no? Was it a colossal failure is the question. Yes or no?
I have admitted this is a terrible...
This is a yes or no series of questions. Was this a colossal failure? Yes or no?
Yes.
Was this tragedy preventable? Yes or no?
Yes.
Has the Secret Service been transparent with this committee?
Yes.
Would you say the fact that we had to issue a subpoena to get you to show up today as being transparent? Yes or no?
I have always been
yes
eager to
or no?
come
You didn't want to
and
answer
talk
the
to
question.
committee.
We had to issue a subpoena to get you to show up today. That is not transparent, by the way. You stated earlier Secret Service is not political. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Would you say leaking your opening statement to Punchbowl News, Politico's Playbook, and Washington Post several hours before you sent it to this committee as being political? Yes or no?
I have no idea how my statement got out.
Well, that's bullshit. So, Mr. Chairman, I would like to ask unanimous consent to enter into the record articles by Punchbowl News, Political Playbook, Washington Post, all done at 5:24 a.m., 6:12 a.m., 6:34 a.m., a solid 3 to 4 hours before this committee got your statement.
Without objection, so ordered.
Okay. Is the Secret Service fully cooperating with our committee?
Yes.
Okay. You say you're fully cooperating with this committee. On July 15th, this committee sent you a list of demands of information that we wanted. Has the Secret Service provided this committee a complete list of all law enforcement personnel that were there that day? Have you done that? Have you provided a list to the Oversight Committee? Yes or no?
I will have to get back to you on that.
That is a no. Have you provided all audio and video recordings in your possession to this committee, as we asked on July 15th? Yes or no?
I would have to get back to you.
That is a no. You're full of shit today. You're just being completely dishonest.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chairman,
I want to.
Come on.
We have to maintain decorum in this committee, no matter how
have you provided
upset we
any
get.
and all memos to this committee that we've asked you on July 15th? Have you provided all memorandums within the Secret Service?
I would have to get back to you on
that. That is a no. You are being dishonest or lying. Like you're being dishonest here with this committee. These are important questions that the American people want answers to, and you're just dodging and talking around it in generalities. What time did law enforcement become aware that there was an individual on the roof with a clear line of sight to President Trump?
I am still verifying timelines.
Of course, 9 days in, you have no answers. How many minutes went by between the time law enforcement saw and took photos of Crooks and the shooting? How many minutes?
I am still verifying timelines.
57 minutes. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and I yield back.
समात में शरीक ऐवान की दोनों पार्टियों के नुमाइंदों ने डायरेक्टर चीटल से सख्त तरीन सवालात किए कि जिनमें से बेशतर के जवाब में डायरेक्टर चीटल का कहना था कि सवालात के जवाब देने के लिए उन्हें FBI की जानिब से रिपोर्ट का इंतजार है। इस्तीफा देने से इंकार पर डायरेक्टर चीटल को ऐवान की ओवरसाइट कमेटी के रिपब्लिकन और डेमोक्रेट्स दोनों नुमाइंदगान की शदीद भरमी का सामना करना पड़ा। कमेटी में मौजूद रिपब्लिकन कांग्रेसमैन एंडी बग्स ने वो रिपोर्ट पढ़ी कि जिसके मुताबिक शूटिंग से 30 मिनट पहले मुतअद्दिद बार शूटर के बारे में सीक्रेट सर्विस के अमले को रिपोर्ट किया गया। अरकान कांग्रेस में शदीद तशवीश ये रही कि इसके बावजूद साबिक सदर को स्टेज पर क्यों जाने दिया गया। कमेटी में मौजूद कांग्रेसमैन रोहित खन्ना ने माजी में अमरीकी सदर रीगन पर होने वाले हमले के बाद मुस्ताफी होने वाले खुफिया एजेंसी के सरबराह का जिक्र किया और एक बार फिर इनसे कहा कि आपको क्यों इस्तीफा नहीं देना चाहिए।
Do you know what Stuart Knight did when he was in charge at the time of the Secret Service? You know what he did afterwards?
He remained on duty.
He resigned. If you have an assassination attempt on a president, a former president, or a candidate, you need to resign. That's what Stuart Knight did. He was a Republican appointee, and he took responsibility. And I think you need to reflect. This is not a question of you. It's a question of the American people. You cannot go leading a Secret Service agency when there is an assassination attempt on a presidential candidate. I would say that about anyone who is running. And so I guess my question to you is, what's the difference between your position and what Stuart Knight did?
What I will tell you, sir, is that I am dedicated to finding the answers to what happened. And like every Secret Service agent, we don't shirk from our responsibilities. I will remain on and be responsible to the agency, to this committee, to the former president, and to the American public.
But is there a reason you wouldn't just do what Stuart Knight did after the Reagan assassination attempt?
I believe that I provided an answer.
There's nothing more that you have to say? I mean, do you really believe at this moment, given how divided the country is and the questions asked, that your service in this role is the best for the nation? I mean, I'm not saying you can't do public service again, you can't do something else again. Do you really genuinely in your heart believe that you being in this role is what's right for America at this moment?
कमेटी में मौजूद अरकान को इंतहाई तशवीश थी कि बार बार सवालात के बावजूद भी सीक्रेट सर्विस की डायरेक्टर कोई तसल्ली बख्श जवाब नहीं दे पाई। न्यूयॉर्क से कांग्रेस वुमेन अलेक्जेंड्रिया कॉर्टेस का ये कहना था कि एक ऐसे वक्त के जब इंतखाबात की सरगर्मियां अरूज पे हैं, द कंट्री इज हाईली डिवाइडेड, सवालात के जवाब हासिल करना इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि ये अहम तरीन शख्सियात के तहफ्फुज़ का मामला है।
It has been 10 days since an assassination attempt on a former president of the United States, regardless of party. There need to be answers. Again, this party, this committee, this is not a moment of theater. We have to make policy decisions, and we have to make them now. We do. And that may be and that may require legislation. That may require policy that we must pass in the immediate term. And without that, we are flying blind. So the lack of answers and the lack of report is just simply not something that we can accept here. How far away was that building from the president?
It was approximately 200 yards.
200 yards. Now, the individual used an AR-15 in order to act out his assassination attempt. An AR-15 has a range of about 400 to 600 yards. My question is, why does the Secret Service perimeter, why is the Secret Service protective perimeter shorter than one of the most popular semi-automatic weapons in the United States?
There are a number of weapons out there with a number of ranges. Again, an advance was completed. The determination of the perimeter, I'm not going to speak to specifics, but there are a number of factors that are taken into account when we determine our perimeter. Some of it has to do with terrain, some of it has to do with buildings, some of it has to do with assets and resources that are available.
And so What I'm hearing is that a perimeter was not established outdoors in an outdoor venue that would prevent an AR-15, which is one of the most common weapons used in mass shootings, from being able to be within the range of Secret Service protection.
Yes, please, feel free, Director.
Ma'am, if I could just speak to something you said at the outset when you started your questioning. I want to assure you and everyone on this committee that I'm not waiting for a report to take action. We have been conducting analysis all along, and we have been adding additional features to our security details since this incident occurred.
बिलाशुबा अमरीकी सदर पर जानलेवा हमला एक संगीन सिक्योरिटी फेलियर है। एहतसाब इस नाकामी का कलीदी हिस्सा है, जहां कोई भी मुबर्रा नहीं, ना ही कोई एहतसाब से मुबर्रा है या जहन में रखने की जरूरत है। निजाम पार्लिमानी हो या सदारती, फर्ज में कोताही का एहतसाब जरूरी है। और इसके साथ ही आज सीक्रेट सर्विस की डायरेक्टर इस्तीफा दे चुकी हैं।